spaces happen. And I rewinded 2 years when I was here, and I remember the questions that I asked myself then, and I can try to see what kind of questions you're asking yourself today. My first question was, okay, this ecosystem is very big. I see many different references. I see ITSA, I see GaiaX, I see the Data Space Supercenter, I see lots of people telling me that there are ecosystems already created. Where should I start from? What technology do I need to use? Is there something that I can take and start to toy with my internal team to see whether this data space idea makes sense? Second question, okay, once I know what technology I'm going to use, if I've selected that technology, will I be able to do something with the data space generated by my nearby neighbors in case they choose a different technology? Will I be able to interoperate with them? And last question, we've overcome the hurdle of interoperability and technology. If I'm doing the same thing as my colleague, well, how can I know that I'm generating value? How do I know they'll be willing to come to my data space? Will we all have business? This is very much related to the questions asked to Boris in the United States. Where's the business? Where does the business lie? Why will they choose us and not our neighbors? Now I'd like to shed light on these questions by explaining you what we do at our foundation. In the Eclipse Foundation, we have set up the Eclipse Dataspace Working Group. And this is a group of companies, of people that are trying to answer these questions, as you can see on this slide. We've seen this morning. We've come to realize that in data spaces, there's a huge interoperability challenge. If I choose a technology, but another one chooses a different technology, I won't be able to communicate with that company. That's what we try to solve with the space protocol. We currently have an interoperability problem, and the people in the working group, well, we've all agreed that it's very important to promote interoperability through two pillars: open source and standardization. So we need to make sure that we provide people with the tools they need to build a data space. And of course, we need to abide by a common set of rules or standards. Only this way we will be able to ensure and secure interoperability.